In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore missing save password prompt in Firefox. If Firefox has stopped asking whether you'd like to save your login information when signing into websites, don't worry. This is usually caused by a setting that has been turned off, and fortunately, it's very easy to enable again. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can restore the password saving prompt and make managing your logins much more convenient. To begin, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and click on the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines. This will open the Firefox menu, where you can access various browser settings and options. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main Firefox settings page, where you can customize different aspects of the browser. Once you're in the settings area, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find and click on Passwords and Autofill. This section contains all of Firefox's password management options, including settings that control whether the browser asks to save login information. After opening the Passwords and Autofill section, scroll down until you reach the Password Settings area. Take your time and make sure you're looking at the correct section, as this is where the option we're interested in is located. You should see a setting labeled Ask to Save Passwords. This option controls whether Firefox displays a prompt whenever you sign in to a website with new login credentials. If the checkbox next to this setting is not enabled, click it to turn it on. This is the key setting that restores the missing save password prompt. While you're here, you may also notice additional options such as suggest strong passwords and fill usernames and passwords automatically. These features can help improve both convenience and security while browsing, so you can enable them if you'd like to use those functions as well. Once you've enabled the Ask to Save Passwords option, close Firefox completely and then open it again. Restarting the browser allows the change to take effect properly. After Firefox opens back up, the password saving prompt should be restored and ready to appear the next time you sign into a website with new login details. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,